Good morning, viewers. You're watching Newsix and I'm Simran. Let's take a look at the breaking development that we are tracking very closely this morning. Starting up in a landmark move, Bihar has become India's first state to implement a comprehensive bridge management and maintenance policy 2025. The policy is named at Bridge Maintenance Policy 2025, which is aimed at transforming the safety and the longevity of the 3,968 bridges in the state. The policy approved by the state cabinet mandates structural audits using cutting-edge technology to prevent the tragedies and ensure public safety. On this, the PWD Minister of the state, Nitin Nabin, has stated that a significant step has been taken in the direction of the Bihar government resolves to ensure smooth and accessible transportation. A memorandum was signed between the Bihar State Bridge Construction Corporation Limited and the IIT Delhi and the IIT Patna for the safety audit of the bridges and the development of the bridge information and management system. Now, with this MOU, the state is going to benefit from the cutting edge expertise in the structural audits and also bridge engineering. All right, viewers, let's also look at what exactly is the Bihar Bridge Maintenance Policy and how does it influence the kind of change which we are going to look at as it implements. Let's look at the details with a little bit of a graphic that I am showing on your screen, viewers. Why is there is a need of a bridge maintenance? Let's take a look at why exactly there is a question for the bridge maintenance. Of course, we are all aware about the kind of incidents that Bihar has also particularly reported over the accidents of now bridge being collapsed, not in just the time of the monsoon, but also during the little time after the construction, the bridges accident and the incidents that are reported in large numbers. Now, as the Bihar cabinet has given it a nod, what they say is that for the management and the maintenance of the bridges, Bihar State Bridge Management and Maintenance Policy has been approved by the cabinet. And this policy is a long-term bridge maintenance policy for all the bridges and culverts on the roads belonging on the road construction department. So, it is an added improvisation maintenance policy from the state. Now, maintenance and management of the bridges and the culverts over up to 60 meters in length is to be taken up by the respective road division of the bridges. More than 60 meters is to be taken up by the BRPNNL. Now, this policy is also being implemented through the bridge maintenance bidding document, which is known as BMBD by the cabinet. As the audit of the bridges is concerned, viewers, you can see on your screens what it says is that it is the joint conglomeration of IIT Patna, IIT Delhi, which have been awarded the work of the third party safety audit. The audit is being conducted by IIT Delhi, IIT Patna as 45 bridges and 40 bridges measuring more than 250 meters of length across the state of Bihar, and after the due approval of the cabinet on the nomination basis through administrative approval. Now, the budget which we can understand for this maintenance policy is being touted at for the audit over 16 crore rupees. The BRPNNL has issued the letters of acceptance to both the IITs on in fact the basis of the safety audits of the IITs. The appropriate steps for the bridges will be taken up by the authoritative department. Now, the location of the bridges, it's important to look what location will the IIT Patna will also be taking and consulting the audit for, which includes many districts including Munger, Jamui, Jainabad, Aurangabad, Gaya, Nawada, Nalanda, Lakhisarai, Kaimur, Bhojpur, Bhagalpur and also Patna as well. These are the locations which will be taken care of by the IIT Patna, and with IIT Delhi, the location of the bridges in the state of Bihar includes Muzaffarpur, Begusarai, Khagaria, Sitamarhi, West Champaran, East Champaran, Katihar, Purnia, Araiya, Kishangarh, Samastipur, Darbhanga, Madhubani and Sitamarhi. All right, viewers, in fact, with that we have an idea, of course, of how wide this entire plan is going to be. And my colleague Mehndi Garg joins me live on the broadcast with the latest updates to be shared on that. Mehndi, in fact, it's a very ambitious project by the Bihar government, and Bihar state government in fact now has taken the resolve for improvising the state of condition in which the bridges of the state are currently in. And of course, this has to be noted that this policy has come just months before now the Bihar polls, when all the hectic parlays for the Bihar polls is being in fact witnessed. The state government, the cabinet has approved and given a nod to this policy. Very important to note that this is also in the view of many incidents of now collapse of the bridges and the accidents due to the poor maintenance of the bridges that is being reported from Bihar. Take us through the details.
Well, definitely, Simran, ahead of the Bihar elections, major developments we are tracking from Bihar, because it is a landmark move indeed, because Bihar now has become India's first state to implement a comprehensive bridge management and maintenance policy 2025, which aims to, transform the safety and longevity of its 3,968 bridges. So it has been said by the PWD Minister Nitish Nabin as well that a significant step has been taken in the direction of the Bihar government's resolve to, ensure smooth and accessible transportation. And not only this, Simran, but also a memorandum has been signed between the Bihar State Bridge Construction Corporation Limited and IIT Delhi and IIT Patna for the safety audit of bridges and the developments of the bridge information and management system. Because we all see that how, major mishaps, the bridge mishap incident comes from Bihar. So in that view also, it is a major step that has been taken by the Bihar government. And with this MOU that has been signed, the state will also benefit from cutting-edge expertise in structural audits and also bridge engineering. So this policy, Simran, has been approved by the state cabinet. Mandates have been, said the structural audits using cutting-edge technology to prevent the tragedies that happens and also to ensure the public safety. So in that view, also Simran, the minister, the PWD minister of Bihar, also explained that the collaboration will enable assessment of bridge conditions, identification of, several critical structural deficiencies, and also developmental work will take place, which targets to maintain and repair the strategies of the bridges as well. So now talking about this particular MOU that has been signed with IIT Delhi and IIT Bihar, Simran, then it is a key initiative to ensure the safety and reliability of the bridge infrastructure, which indeed is vital rather for the economic and social development of the state. So it is very important to note also, Simran, that Bihar has a total of around 3,968 bridges, of which 532 are categorized as large bridges. In the first phase, safety audits of 85 of these bridges will be conducted, and this work will be carried out through the Bihar State Bridge Construction Corporation Limited. And the audit process will also, Simran, reveal the actual condition of the bridges in the state, and necessary repairs will be made, to make them fully functional. And IIT Patna and IIT Delhi will provide the health reports also for the 85 bridges within a year. So this is, a small roadmap that has been created in terms of this, and the initiative will also, change the developmental works in Bihar as well. And the approval has been granted to conduct a third-party bridge safety audit of 85 key bridges, each over 250 meters in length and located on the roads under the Road Construction Department. So lastly, also, Simran, it is very important for the viewers as well to know that an administrative approval of rupees 17 crore has been issued for this purpose, and IIT Patna has been assigned the audit of 45 bridges for which the letter of acceptance was issued, and the budget of 8.72 crores has been sanctioned for this. So similarly, also Simran, IIT Delhi has been assigned the audit of 40 bridges with the letter of acceptance issued already, and an approved budget of 7.88 crores.
All right,
yes,
Mehndi, thank you very much with the latest inputs that you are tracking, and very importantly, in fact, it's also